Hi everyone. Today's lesson is going to be a investigation involving Venn diagrams and conditional probability. So I'm going to go through these two questions, at least some of these two questions, some parts. In the first one here, we have a survey of 50 people conducted to collect data about the types of movies they like. The movie categories were comedy, drama, and animation. The results are as follows, and there's lots and lots of information. Some like only comedy or drama or animation, some like two of them, some like all three of them. And our job is to draw a Venn diagram to display the data. So first of all, let's think big picture. Big picture, a Venn diagram has to have a universal set, and we put a little epsilon in the corner to represent everything under consideration. Then we have three different broad categories here: comedy, drama, and animation. So I'll draw three circles which overlap, and I'll label this one comedy, and then the next one was drama, and then the third one was animation. It doesn't really matter what order you write those in. Now, when it comes to filling in the numbers that go in the different parts of the diagram, let me give you a clue. Start from the center and work outwards. So the very, very center section here in this is going to be the people who like all three types. So there are only 8 of those people. 8 like all three types. So the number 8 can be put right in the middle, absolutely sure of that. And we can sort of cross that one out. We've done that one. Now let's move up the list. 14 people like comedy and animation. So if they like comedy as well as animation, I'll just try to highlight here without ruining everything. Comedy as well as animation is that little slice between the set C and the set A, and that's got to be a total of 14. Now, if it's a total of 14, there should only be 6 in that little box there because the 6 and the 8 come to 14. So that's that idea there. 17 like drama and animation. Let's do some colors for drama and animation. There we go. And that was a total of 17. So 8 there. If we had 9 there, I think 9 plus 8 is 17. That's okay. Done that one. 13 like comedy and drama. So comedy and drama would be here. Well, the blue didn't really cover that very well, did it? Maybe green is stronger than, I don't know, whatever's happening. Now, well, that's 13. So I think we'd need to have 5 of them there. 5 plus 8 gives 13. That's good. So we take that one away. Now, 33 people like animation. So whatever number goes here, plus the 6, the 8, and the 9, has to equal 33. Well, 6 and 8 are 14, and 9 are 23, so there'd be an extra 10 people there to make our total of 33 that like animation. Drama is a total of 24. So what have we got here? 5 and 8 are 13. 13 plus 9 is 22. And if we had just 2 more people there, that's the ones finishing off 24 in total for drama, 26 like comedy, and by a similar process we end up 7 there because 7 plus 8, 15, 20, 26 altogether, 26. Now we're not quite finished because don't forget it said there were 50 people altogether. If we add up all the numbers so far that are there, it comes to 47. And 50 people were surveyed. That must mean there are 3 people who are part of the universal set, but not part of any of those individual set C, set D, or set A. So that's our Venn diagram. I might just try to rub out the colored stuff without ruining everything. I did ruin something. That was an 8 that, oh, now I've made it even worse. Let's see if I can put an 8 back in there without breaking things. That'll do. That's that question. Now let's go to question 3. I won't do all of this. I'll just do a few parts. Use your Venn diagram to find the probability that a person chosen likes comedy. That's not so hard. It's just all the comedies out of 50. But let's go this one. They like comedy given that they don't like drama. Now that's a much more interesting question. I want the probability that they like comedy on the condition that, or given that, they do not like drama. So that do not like drama would be the complement of drama. Now, this is where we need to use conditional probability. The rule for conditional probability is that we want the number of people, so little n is number, and we want the intersection of those two sets, C intersect not D, all divided by the number in the second one, not D. Let's see how we go with this. So first of all, let's add up all of the people who are the denominator here who are not in drama. I'll just highlight them. Those people don't like drama, neither do they, or them, or them. The other numbers are all within the circle labeled D. So I won't be, we want the ones who aren't in there. So what have I got? A 3 plus a 7 plus a 6 plus a 10. Now I have to try and find the intersection of the comedy group with the ones that are already highlighted. So I'm going to use a different color highlight, and I'm not focusing on the 2, the 5, the 8, or the 9. They're not part of it. I'm focusing on the ones that are highlighted in yellow. So out of those yellow ones, which ones also belong to circle C? Well, that one does and that one does. So it's a 7 plus a 6. Now it won't take long to finish this off. That's a 13. Now that's 10 plus and is 20, that's 26. And we would cancel that to be 1 over 2. So that's just that question there. I won't do all of them, that's enough. That gives you the idea of how to use your Venn diagram to calculate a conditional probability. Thanks for watching.